this video, I'll be sharing top celebrity hairstylist secrets on how to redefine your hair, mostly on kinky curly wigs. This is my old kinky curly wig I've had for a couple of months now and I've just neglected it. So today I'm going to be showing you how I bring back some life into this wig. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Terrie, and if you're new and you've never seen my face before, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can join the family and you never miss an upload from me. So first things first, I'm going to use my Aussie shampoo to make sure this hair is squeaky clean. Before I go in with my Aussie conditioner, it's the 3 minutes Miracle Strong 10 times stronger in 1 week deep conditioner. Then I'm going to massage this conditioner into the hair to make sure that every single strand is coated. Once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my detangling brush to make sure I get out all the knots and kinks from this hair. After brushing out all the knots, I'm just going to leave this wig to sit for about 30 minutes. So this is the first real secret you should take note of, is to use my Cantu deep treatment mask. Can you see how luscious and beautiful these curls are looking? I'm just going to leave this to sit for another hour and then I'm going to wash it out. But remember, make sure you air dry this wig, guys. You don't need a blow dry, just air dry it. So this is the next day. The wig is all dried and ready to go. going to glue down my wig or anything because I'm going to be taking it off shortly. So I'm just going to use this headband to make sure the wig stays in place all through. I feel like I look my best in curly hair. I don't know. I'm just going to spritz it here and there with a little water from my spray bottle. But the last thing is to spray this Cantu Coil Calm Detangler. This product is the star of this show. All the celebrity hairstylists use this. It makes your curls last so much longer, and you can really see how defined your curls are. You know how curly hair always requires you to be spritzing it and keeping it wet and all that to make the curls come out? Using this product eliminates that completely. You can thank me later by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button if this helps you in any way.
It's not you, it's me, you see. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately wrong with me. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. Hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. Don't make me a victim, please. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. It's not easy for me, he said, to see you hurt and filled with regrets, but there's something wrecking ball wrong with me.
So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't seen my previous video where I created this makeup look, please remember to check out the cards right above me. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because your feedback means the world to me. Also, if you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that bell so you get notified anytime I post another fun, informative, creative video just like this one. Also, don't forget to keep up with me on social media. It's terrie.berry on Instagram and terrieberry on Twitter. Alright, so I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!